Hey guys, so I have an unboxing for you guys, and this is the Glamour Jewelry box. They actually sent me the month of May, so I wanted to do a quick unboxing for you guys, show you guys the packaging again. This is what the little box comes like. It is a beautiful marble box, and it says a Glamour Jewelry box, as you can see there. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. And when you open it, you have the little card there. This is a $25 a month subscription. I will have their link down below, as well as a coupon code that they gave me for you guys. I do not make anything off of this coupon code. It's for your benefit only. So in each box, I have seen this in the previous box as well. It says Glamour is Shine and Confidence. And it's kind of like just telling you that they hope that you enjoy this month's box of jewelry. So it comes with just kind of like a little stuffing in there. And then it has this little kind of velvet little glam bag. So it does have their little logo on there. It says Glamour Jewelry box on there. So I'm going to open this up and see what's May's jewelry. So first thing in here, I see some earrings. And those look super, super cute. I really, really love the tassel look. So I'm going to go ahead and take these little things off of here. And those are super cute. So you might want to open them a little bit. So those are super adorable. I have been loving tassels. I have quite a few of them. Sadly, I haven't been able to wear a lot of them because my son will just grab at them because he thinks that they're toys. But these are super, super beautiful. I love that they're not like way too exaggerated either. As you can see right there, they kind of are too short or too long. So these are super cute. So they're black and gold. And let's see what else is in here. So the rest is in some tissue paper, and I can see it's a gold necklace. And oh, this is so beautiful. Okay, so it's a gold necklace with a beautiful crystal on the end. I wish I knew what kind of crystal this was. It kind of looks like rose quartz from the looks of it. So let me go ahead and let you guys zoom in on that. That is very, very beautiful. I love that. I love really simple pieces like this. And then the third piece in here is this bracelet is very beautiful. So this is a bracelet. Let me see if I can go ahead and put it on. Okay, so I just put on the bracelet, and it's kind of like a bangle, but you can actually adjust it. Sadly, my husband's not here to help me, but I would adjust it all the way tighter to this more fitting form. I do like the fact that it has the little black clover right there in the middle. So it's very simple, really beautiful. I'm really into more dainty, delicate pieces lately. I do love statement necklaces every now and then, but I really feel like a lot more simple stuff is easier for you to combine and wear with more things. So I really, really love this piece. I love the little crystal on here. It's very beautiful. I think this is my favorite piece from the three that we got. And then a second would be the earrings, just because tassels are really in style right now, and then the bracelet. But all three of them are really, really beautiful. You can just tell that the quality is really nice on these. In the long run, I might just like write down below in the boxes and let you guys know how long they last on me. I do take pretty good care of my jewelry, so they do tend to last really long on me unless they're not really good quality. Let me know what you guys think of this unboxing. What did you guys think of the jewelry? Do you guys think it's worth the price point? It's $25 a month. They did send this to me for review purposes. I do feel like it's a good variety for the $25, because sometimes the earrings just like this might cost you like $8 or $9 in, you know, H&M or any place like that. So I do feel like you're getting your money's worth as far as the pieces that you're getting, because you're getting, I think, 3 pieces in each one. So here you have earrings, necklace, and a bracelet for $25. So I don't think that the price point is off in any sort of way. It's not way too expensive. I'd love to hear back from you guys. Let me know what your thoughts are. What are your thoughts on the box? Are you interested in something like this, or is it a no-go for you? I'd love to hear back from you guys in the comments section. I do go through and read your comments for the most part, but sadly with my time limit, I just don't have time to write back to every single one of you guys. So thank you guys so much for all your support, for watching, for subscribing. If you want to keep up with my videos, definitely subscribe. And if you want to be notified, hit that little bell. Also follow me on Instagram. I will have my Instagram link down below as well. Thank you guys. I love you guys. And until next time, bye guys.